Hey, this is Bob, this is Buddy, and this is Sheldon. And we're going to show you what happens when Fishman Mike teaches you how to go crabbing.
Double banger.
What we got?
Double banger.
There you go.
Oh,
Well,
Mike, I just love this.
what's up, everyone? Look behind me. Look at that sun. Nice 80-degree day. Beautiful day on the water. We're out here to catch some blue crabs, but I tell you what, today's gonna be special because I had a group of guys come down from Ohio, family and friends, to come down here to do some crappie fishing on Lake Okeechobee. In the last 2 days, we fished from morning to dark, caught a bunch of fish. So I wanted to take them to catch some blue crabs. I have one gentleman with me today who don't even know we're even crabbing. He thinks the trap's actually going to catch the fish. So it should be an interesting time. We should catch a bunch of crabs, and we're going to follow it up with a catch and cook. All right, first trap of the day. First time Buddy's ever checked the trap. See what we got in it, Buddy. You excited?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right,
ready?
Yep, go ahead and give her a good pull. Just keep it going. There you go.
Too fast?
Oh, a little bit, you're all right though. Just set it down and we'll just walk on down to the next trap.
Yeah, go.
Here we go. What we got? Oh, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. Yeah, right there. Just don't touch him.
What
Look
is
at that. That is a blue crab, female. What do you think?
Awesome. It's awesome. Never seen it. First time I've ever did this, and it is really exciting. It's great. It's exciting.
Was you expecting that?
No, sir, I was not. It's awesome. I think it's well.
All right. So what we do with the females, we usually put the females back. So go ahead and let her go.
You just pull this.
Yeah, open it up and shake her out. Open all the way up. There you go. Perfect. All right, we've got the next Ohio guy, Mr. Sheldon. How do you think we're going to do today? You have any idea?
We'll catch a big one here.
There you go. Look at that. What we got?
Absolutely nothing.
I actually thought that paper was a crab.
Did you?
Did you?
I did.
That's crazy. All right. All right. Sheldon's looking for his first crab. Oh yeah, it looks like a nice crab. That is a nice crab right there. That right there, what brings us out. What do you think, Sheldon?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's going to taste good here in a
Get
little
it right
bit.
there. Yeah. That's a nice big old blue crab.
I will.
First time ever crabbing.
First time. First crab in my life.
Second trap. All right, nice job, Sheldon.
Thanks.
All right, we got Bob. This is my cousin from Ohio as well. First time pulling a crab trap. All right, see what happens. All right, nothing in the first one. See what we got in this one. Oh,
There you go.
look at that.
Whoa.
Here we go. What do you think, Bob?
Let's start.
Not a wall mounter, but hey, we'll take it.
That's right, start somewhere.
Hey, you hold that.
Wow.
Go ahead and lift it. So I think what happened was they all checked 2 traps. I think on their second trap, on all 3 of them, they got a crab. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, guys, not a bad start. We got 1 in the box and we released 2 shorts.
Ready?
Yep.
Mike, let's go. Come on. Ah, we got the bait.
Well, there's a crab in there.
Okay, here we go.
Look at that. You got
Here
it?
we go.
What do you think?
Oh,
Well-
Mike, I just love this. This is the easiest fishing I've ever did, or whatever we call it. But it's great, Mike.
Heck yeah.
It's great, Mike.
Unfortunately, we're going to have to let that one go, though.
Mike.
I know. You can't keep it as a pet. All right. I have a feeling we're going to get one on this trap right here.
Yeah, crab one. Pretty sure.
Yep. Oh!
Ooh,
Look at that, guys.
big.
Nice. And again, just a little undersized, but hey, we're catching crabs, right?
Yep. Catching a lot.
Yep, they'll get bigger. All right, first time around, with the Buckeye guys, we got 5 crabs, 1 keeper. So it's actually not bad because we've only been letting them soak for 10 minutes and it's their first time crabbing. So how'd you feel the first time around?
I was very excited about it.
Yeah.
Like I have never did this before.
Yeah.
And I had a lot of excitement, a lot to learn, but I think you did very well showing us how to throw it out. As an arc, I think by throwing it out, because you have to make sure that your basket or whatever,
traps, yeah.
trap is flat. So it was very, very interesting in doing this. Really enjoyed it.
Yep.
First time.
First time. Like I said, but they've only been soaking 10 minutes, so that's not bad. We're gonna give them a good 15 minutes and then we're gonna check them. Ooh, double?
Double banger. Whoa. As Mike likes to say.
There you go, let it go, let it grow. Yep.
I'll keep the other one.
Yeah, we can. We'll pick through them later. We'll keep that one. Good job, Sheldon. Oh yeah. What we got?
Double banger.
There you go. 2 crabs. We'll keep the one, release the other one. Or just throw them all in. We'll pick through them after we check the traps.
Was that 2 in that one?
Yeah. Here you go. We got double on the first one. All right.
I think there might be one on here. Hey, big one. Ooh.
Here we go.
There you go.
That pretty nice, pretty crab. Good job, Bob. We're gonna put this guy in the bucket. Not a bad start this time around.
Yep. That 3 on, what, 3 traps?
Yep.
I don't care. I'm excited.
Here we go.
I think we got another one.
Oh yeah. Bob is on fire.
On fire.
What do you
Boom.
Boom, there you go. What do you think, Bob?
Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Be great for an over-retired guy like myself.
Here we go. Another crab. Bob is on fire.
Still rolling.
Let that one go. Let it go, let it grow. Here it is, early March, 80 degrees. I had the guys come down from Ohio to come down here catch a bunch of crappie on Lake Okeechobee. Now they're here, experience blue crabbing. And I'm telling you, one of my favorite things about catching blue crabs is bringing people who's never done it before. Let them experience what I get to experience year round. So that's pretty awesome. I know they're having a great time. I can see it in their eyes, hear it in their voices. You know, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to actually ask each one individually, what do they like about blue crabbing? Because I know they like it, so I'm going to go up and we're going to find out what they actually like about catching blue crabs. All right, I'm here with the Bob, Buddy, and Sheldon. Like I said, they made the trip down to Ohio to come all the way down here to catch crappie and blue crabs. I'm just curious, Bob, what do you like about crabbing since you've done it already?
I think the best thing about crabbing is it's just a beautiful location. You know, it's a lot of fun to catch the crabs. I'm looking forward to eating them, but it's just something that's, you know, anybody can do. You know, especially for like an old retired guy like myself, it's a great chance to kill some time.
There you go. Buddy?
I just really enjoyed the experience. It's something that I've never done, and I was enjoyed just bringing the rope in.
Sheldon.
Really want to thank Mike for teaching us. I mean, it's been interesting today. Beautiful scenery and really fun. I mean, like I think Bob said, you know, it's something anybody can do. It's very, very simple to do. and you can come out and get your crab on.
Yep.
Thanks, Mike.
Like I said, you know, one of my favorite things about crabbing is right here. Bringing new people down and showing them what I get to do year round. They get to experience what I get to experience. So I appreciate you guys coming down and doing it with me.
Thank you.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. Oh, crap. Here we go. Lift it. There you go. Nice job. Crab on. There you go. You hold it right there. There you go, right there. Hold it close.
I'll hold it close.
Yep, there you guys go. There's a crab. We'll go ahead and throw this one in the bucket and get it back out. Nice job, man. All right, little update. So far, I believe we have like 17 or 18 crab on the day. We have like 12 in the cooler. And like I said earlier, what I plan on doing is we're going to get a few more crabs and we're going to do a shore launch. You know, none of them's never had crab before. It's something new, so I'm excited about this. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to wait 15 minutes and we're going to check all these traps one more time. Got it. Uh-oh, what we got? Here we go.
Man, here we go.
Nice job. Another one for the box. Boy, I tell you what, we about lost this guy. There you go. Not a wall mouter, but he'll eat. Here we go, Bob.
Feels heavier.
There we go. Another crab. Nice job, Mr. Kunda.
There we go.
Good size too, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll eat them. Doing our first catch and cook with the guys. Have any of you had blue crab before?
No.
No blue crab?
Nope, not yet.
What about you,
Well,
Bob?
we're
Have you had blue
gonna
crab?
Seen a lot of it, haven't eaten it.
Yep. All right. Not a bad start. Good throw. See what we got. I feel like there's gonna be one on there. Oh, a big female. All right, hold that up. There we go. Look at that crab. Can you hold it right there, buddy?
Yes, sir.
That's a nice crab right there. All right, we're gonna let her go, let her go, let her grow, and we're gonna get our traps back out. Good job, buddy. Nothing in that one.
Over one.
Here we go.
Crab on.
Here we go. Crab on. There you go. Good job, Bob.
Crab. Crab on.
There we go. There we go. Nice, nice. We'll take that one for sure. Another one for the box. Yeah. Well, unfortunately, my mic died, so I'm not going to put the cooking portion on this video. But as you can see, the finished product turned out great. We had sausage, corn, mushrooms, potatoes, and obviously the crabs. What a great day on the water. Had a great time with the guys from Ohio. As you can see, we caught a ton of crabs, and they had a great time. Awesome experience, and that is a wrap. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the water.